Do you often feel tired and drained even after a good night's sleep? The secret to all-day energy isn't more coffee, it's hidden in the foods you eat. In this video, I'll share 7 superfoods that instantly boost your energy naturally without any side effects. At number 1 comes bananas. Bananas are nature's energy bar. Packed with carbohydrates, potassium, and vitamin B6, they provide a quick boost of stamina and help muscles recover faster. Number 2, oats. Oats release energy, slowly keeping you active for hours. They are rich in fiber and iron, which help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. At number 3 comes the spinach. This leafy green is loaded with iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. Spinach improves blood circulation and oxygen supply to your cells, instantly fighting fatigue. Number 4, chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of protein omega-3s and fiber. They keep you hydrated and energized for longer, making them perfect for both athletes and everyday stamina. Number 5, almonds. A handful of almonds can work wonders. They're full of magnesium and healthy fats that stabilize blood sugar and prevent sudden energy crashes. At number 6 is the dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be healthy. Dark chocolate improves blood flow, brain function, and gives you a natural energy lift. Just make sure it's above 70% cocoa. At number 7 comes the dates. Dates are natural sweeteners loaded with iron, potassium, and fiber. They provide instant energy and are a great alternative to processed sugar. So instead of reaching for artificial energy drinks or excessive caffeine, add these 7 superfoods to your daily diet for a natural, powerful boost. Which of these do you already eat? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Stamina for more natural health tips.